Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the remarkable OMEGA Seamaster Diver 300M. This luxurious men's watch exudes elegance, precision, and sophistication, and we're excited to unbox it for you. Join us as we unveil the exquisite craftsmanship and stunning design of this timepiece. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. This timepiece, a fusion of stainless steel and the rich radiance of 18K Sedna gold, showcases a meticulously polished black ceramic bezel detailed with a Ceragold diving scale. The dial, an artwork in itself, intricately engraved with waves, hosts luminous 18K Sedna gold subdial hands, along with impeccably crafted indexes filled with white Super-LumiNova, ensuring readability even in the darkest depths. Not to forget the subtle yet essential date window residing at the 6 o'clock mark. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us. We read all comments carefully. Thank you. Let's delve deeper into the beating heart of this horological marvel, the OMEGA Master Chronometer Caliber 9900. This self-winding chronograph, incorporating a column wheel and coaxial escapement, represents the pinnacle of precision and innovation. Certified as a master chronometer by Metas and resilient against magnetic fields up to an astounding 15,000 Gauss, this movement signifies not just technical excellence but also reliability. Its power reserve of 60 hours, combined with a series-mounted silicon balance spring and rhodium-plated finish with Geneva waves in arabesque, showcases OMEGA's dedication to superior craftsmanship and uncompromising performance. Beyond its stunning aesthetics and technical prowess, the OMEGA Seamaster encapsulates a range of functionalities that surpass mere timekeeping. Embracing anti-magnetic properties, chronograph capabilities, chronometer certification, a helium escape valve, a screw-in crown, a transparent case back offering a mesmerizing view of the intricate movement, and a unidirectional rotating bezel, this timepiece is a testament to endurance and reliability. Water-resistant up to an impressive 300 meters, it's a companion for adventurers and aficionados seeking both style and substance. In summary, the OMEGA Seamaster emerges as a true masterpiece, seamlessly blending opulence with functionality. Its meticulous design, from the stunning amalgamation of stainless steel and 18K Sedna gold to the intricately detailed dial, And the powerful OMEGA Master Chronometer Caliber 9900 reflects OMEGA's unwavering commitment to excellence. This watch is not just an accessory, it is a testament to craftsmanship and reliability, offering an unparalleled experience to those who appreciate luxury and precision. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the OMEGA Seamaster. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews and captivating insights on luxury timepieces and more on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates and exclusive content. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.